Canva Magic Write is an AI powerful tool that allows you to quickly create content. With one easy prompt, you may write everything from social media captures to brainstorming and seeking inspiration for poetry or letters. It is available in Canva Docs for 25 free queries or access to additional queries with Canva Pro. If you want me to create a video on how to get Canva Pro for free, comment Canva Pro now. What Magic Write can do for you? Unblock your writer's block. Are you struggling to put your thoughts on paper? Magic Write is intended to transform a few keywords into high quality text, whether it's a cover letter, a greeting card, a blog, or something in between. Think about your key ideas. Whether you need to enhance an idea or you are seeking personal inspiration, Magic Write will never leave you without an idea. Use it to brainstorm new ideas for a topic or to plan out themes for your blog. Drafting your draft. Find the ideal words to include in any text or design. Magic Write will magically convert your concept into words in seconds, ready for you to alter, polish, make your own, or work on with others. Never start from scratch. Staring at a blank page might be frightening. Simply tell Magic Write what's on your mind, and it will generate the beginning point for you. Type what you are searching for and get from a concept to editing in seconds. Work across every device. Whether you are at your PC or traveling with your tablet or mobile device, brainstorm ideas and produce content with Magic Write anytime you need on a Canva Docs. Everything in one place. No more bouncing between multiple applications while you polish your ideas. Move from brainstorming to refining your writing and store your papers in the same area as the rest of your creative work. How to use Magic Write on Canva Docs. So we are done with the introduction. Let's go straight to the actual steps. So step 1, you open your Google Docs. Yes. So now click the search icon with the kind of star below your left. Click on Magic Write. Then this pop up. Write 5 tips on how to overcome writer's block. There is a question. So right now you can ask Magic Write anything from scratch. Let's say we write 5 topics on communication. Write 5 topics on communication and you press enter. Wow, it's wonderful. 5 topics on communication. 1, non-verbal communication, interpersonal communication, learning skill, conflict, group. That was wonderful. So you can ask Magic Write other questions. Just click the same search icon, Magic Write. How to scale my business. How to scale my business. Let's see. Magic Write. Wonderful. How to scale my business. Congratulations on your success so far. Scaling a business can be an exciting but sometimes. So this is it. This is typically Magic Write, and this is so wonderful. Now, once you are happy with the results Magic Write brings out for you, just try and polish it, proofread, and edit to your satisfaction. Then you save. Thank you for watching. Drop a comment on the comment section what you think about this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos like this on my channel.